Ergo Seats are designed to keep you comfortable at all times. Thanks to their ergonomic design and electric controls, it's easy to find the perfect seating position. Once you've found it, you can save it, thanks to our memory function. To help you avoid back pain, there is also a massage function with several programs. On the infotainment screen, you can choose the program, duration, and intensity of your massage. By pressing and turning your smart dial, you can control the heating and the ventilation of the seats at 3 levels of intensity. The Ergo Seats have been tested and certified by AGR, the German organization for healthy backs. Their ergonomic solutions also include the extendable thigh support. We wish you a pleasant drive in your new Škoda.